Tess and this is Buddy and welcome to our kitchen. Our doors are from Scherr's cabinet and our hardware is from Etsy. Our countertop is Calacara Venus. Our floating shelves are white oak from Etsy, and I did bleach these floating shelves to attain this lighter look. A folding step stool in our Toki, and if you like to see a complete information about our kitchen renovation, please visit tessandbuddy.com. My plates are all white, so I know I could be a good candidate for floating shelves. And this is Buddy's sketch, which was a gift for us. And let's call my master. Hi! Sorry, I haven't cooked for you. Is that okay? Hi, Buddy? Is that okay? This is Delta faucet, which is in champagne bronze color. I have these containers for potatoes, onions, and garlic, and it has a printout, but I prepared it to be plain, so this is how it looks. And this cutting board is from World Market. I just put this so somehow it covers my cutting board, which I mostly use every day. Instead of buying a built-in microwave, I just decided to just buy this one. It's a lot cheaper and I like the look of it. I got this range hood from Home Depot. We use a large porcelain tile to go at the back of the stove so I could easily clean up this area. And I really love the look of this because it looks like my countertop. And this is a lot cheaper than buying another slab of my quartz. This is my recipe book, and I got this from Sassel, and you can personalize any design they have. This is our stove, and I'm so happy to have a new stove. At least the knobs are not gonna fall off with me when I'm cooking. And I chose this Samsung because of the extra lip it has. It looks like built-in. And this is my cute air fryer. This is my bread basket, which I have these to go with. My rug is from World Market. And I also have this nice rug from House of Noah, which I use when I'm cooking and doing dishes. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to give us like and please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Bye!